friends, hope you're having a wonderful week. My name is Hazel and I'm a part-time reseller. I primarily resell on Poshmark and eBay, and today I have a unboxing video for you. So if you like these type of videos, please be sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Alright, let's get into the video. So a few weeks ago, I purchased the Jomar graphic tees pack of assorted brands, and all these items are in excellent use condition. There are 25 items, and I'm gonna look here on my phone to see how much I paid exactly. So there were 25 items, and with shipping the total came out to be $83.49, which makes the cost of goods $3.34. So the items cost slightly a bit more than if I were to thrift them myself at Goodwill, but because I didn't have to put in the work of sourcing and ordered these online, you kind of pay for the convenience. I'm also hoping that a lot of these items are different from the brands I would find locally, and that I get a good assortment of graphic tees. So I had luck with Jomar before when I purchased their XO Rachel collaboration box, and I purchased this graphic tees box hoping to strike gold again, and because I really do enjoy selling graphic tees in my stores. So let's open this box up. So it's actually a bag, and this is how I received it. I have not opened it yet, so let me get my scissors. Oh, actually, I don't know if I need scissors for this. Maybe I can just tear into it. Sorry, it's so loud. Okay, so there is a thank you card here with just info on all their social media. And like I said, I ordered the 25 pieces graphic tees pack of assorted brands. So let's pull out the first thing. All right. Oh, okay. So I just saw stripes and I was like, is this a graphic tee? But it says You, Me, Capri. All right. Nice little summer shirt. It's by Millie for Dress Nation. So I think that was a Target collaboration. I'll have to double check on that. But okay. So the next shirt is, is this a men's shirt? I really like selling men's items. Oh, okay, so this is a Uniqlo, kind of like a middle, maybe low tier brand, but it's a men's shirt, and it has this interesting, maybe faux Mickey Mouse doll all over print. Pretty cool. Next item. Oh, nice. So it is a small Nike tee, and it has a really nice tiger graphic with the swoosh marks all on the long sleeve. It's a small. My husband might like this. I don't know, but I like it. What is next in this bag? Okay, so skateboard brand or skate brand Thrasher. That's pretty cool. I never sold this before. I like the color, the light. Oh, this is cool. Alright, this is a yellow card shirt. I wonder if this is for the band Yellow Card. Fun fact, that was pretty much my first concert I went to in college down in Orlando. They were giving away free admission to students to see Yellow Card, and I really like them. Okay, this is a Sonic shirt. Is this like the food Sonic brand? I don't know. It says Simply Scrumptious. So right now, okay, these are definitely graphic tees because they have like logos and sayings. I was thinking more like band tees, band graphic tees, because that's what the stock photo of the item was. So I don't know, there's still a lot to dig through, so maybe we can see more. Okay, I don't know who Maggie Rogers is. Is this a band tee? So kind of cool because I'm not familiar with a lot of these graphics, so I'll have to look it up. But so far I like it. Yeah, some of the items might be plain, but I'm pretty good at tie-dyeing and acid washing and de-stressing. So there's still a lot that can be done to DIY these items. Oh, cool. Summer 2019. This is a Guess shirt and it says, "It's my party. I can cry if I want to." See what is next. This actually looks like somebody made it themselves, but it says "No pain, no champagne." Oh, I really like this one. This is already tie-dyed and has sunflowers. Oh, wow, and it has that nice eye. I don't know if you guys can see this. I really like this t-shirt. There's sunflowers in the back and another eye, and the brand is Empire. My husband actually, he introduced me to this brand. We see a lot of it at Zoomies. I like this shirt. It's a small. I won't be able to fit it, but someone else might. Oh, this one is already tie-dyed as well. Okay, I'm not sure what Riot Society is, if this is also found at Zoomies or not, but it has some Japanese characters, I believe, on the side. I don't know, I'm Filipino, so I don't know what that says. Riot Society, and the cat here. Nice tie-dye. I have to do more research on that. If anything, there's a lot of interesting pieces that I can put into my stores. Ooh, East Coast. Alright, so this is just the Topshop crop top East Coast. So I really like this tank, and this is the Ramones. I might have to borrow this before I sell it. I don't know what brand did this, or if it's the band tee. There's no tags. Oh wait, what's this? Oh, so this is an actual band tee or tank, and I really like it. So this is cool. I don't know if I should acid wash it or not, but I really like that big logo. Oh, cool. Okay, so this is cool. This is an extra large, and it is a Queen. The Works band tee. My dad liked the Queen, so I grew up listening to a lot of their music, and this is official merch. I don't know if this is vintage or not. I don't think so. I don't see a date. I'll have to look more into it, but cool. It seems the more I'm digging into this pack that there are a lot more band tees. So this is another Riot Society graphic tee, and I don't know, is that a panda bear with feathers on top of an elephant? There's some cracking and wear on the design, but I think this is still sellable. Ooh, so this is nice. So this is an extra large Bowie t-shirt with his face on it. I like this. It seems the more I'm getting into this bag, the better items that are coming out. So this is fun. Nice surprise. Cool. Another Ramones Burnout tee this time. This is a nice Banana Republic graphic tee. It says, "When in Rome." So my husband actually, he had to confirm, but this is Mick Jagger, and this is a Daydreamer tank. There's no size on it, but it looks like I can fit it, so I'm gonna have to borrow that too. Okay, this is a really cool tank. I can already tell by the graphic. I'm not sure if it's a brand or a band. I can't even read this or pronounce it. So I have to do a lot more research on this, but I like it so far. So we'll see. I'll look it up and I'll put the info in the comments what this shirt is. If you guys know, let me know down below. So this is just a mama bird tee for my mamas out there. And this is a bar stool breakfast t-shirt. Okay, so another Uniqlo. And it's a cool Lego graphic tee. So this is the last shirt in my Jomar bag. And it is a Tracksmith Amateur shirt. So pretty cool. Now let me count all this to make sure it's 25 items. Okay, so I actually counted twice and there's only 24 out of 25 items. So I'm just gonna have to contact customer service, but it's okay. They're actually pretty good about getting back to me. I guess it happens. Overall, I'm really happy with what I got. I got a lot of really cool band tees that I'm gonna have to borrow until they sell at least. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you want to see more unboxing content like this, be sure to hit the like button. And if you want more reseller content, please subscribe to my channel. That will help me with the YouTube algorithm. And also follow me on Instagram, brownskin17, where I post a lot of tips on Tuesdays for selling on Poshmark and eBay, as well as behind the scenes reseller content. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm wishing you much luck and wealth in your business. Thank you.